Is my fuzzy blanket in the toy box? Is that the end?
You gotta open the toy box.
Oh.
He's never made it that far. He's never made it to the end of the
Yes,
book.
here it is.
It's a real page turner.
Here it is. Wake up, Mr. Mouse. There's my fuzzy blanket.
Yay!
I can't find my fuzzy blanket. Is my fuzzy blanket in the refrigerator? Feel 'em. No, it's not. There's only a bunch of grapes in there.
Do they crinkle?
Mm-hmm. Is my fuzzy blanket
Let's go back to the refrigerator.
in the cupboard?